Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Today you will continue chapter The Human Eye. Okay. Previous day you had studied, children, about the structure of human eye. You have read that our eyeball is nearly spherical in shape and its diameter is about 2.5 centimeter. Do you remember? You had read eyeball is nearly spherical in shape and its diameter is about 2.5 centimeter. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. You have studied that the cornea is the curved portion in the front which allows the light to enter the eye. It is whitish in color and it protects the eye. Then you have read, children, that there is a muscular diaphragm that is called iris, and this iris gives characteristic color to the eye. Someone has blue eyes, someone has brown eyes, and it is given by the iris. And the iris also controls the size of the pupil. The pupil is a circular aperture, and in the dim light, the size of pupil expands, and in the bright light, the size of pupil contracts. So, this size of pupil is controlled by iris. Okay? Yes. You have read, children, that there is a convex lens in our eye which focuses the light on the retina. All of you have read in chapter light about the convex lens. Okay. So this convex lens is present in our eye and it focuses the light on the screen of our eye. The screen of eye is called retina, and this retina has photoreceptors or photosensitive cells. Light sensitive cells are present on the retina. These cells are either rod shaped or cone shaped cells. Okay. So these rod shaped and cone shaped cells become activated. Okay. When the light is focused on the retina by the convex lens, then the photoreceptors, which are also called light sensitive cells, get activated. Okay. And you have also read, children, that behind the cornea and between the lens there is a fluid that is called aqueous humor. Aqueous humor is present in between cornea and convex lens. Can you say what is the function of aqueous humor? It is a watery liquid. Okay, 99% is water and 0.1% is protein and some other thing. Okay, and then you will see, children, that the uh, in in this portion behind the lens and this eyeball, in this portion there is vitreous humor and aqueous humor. Two things are there in our eyes. Then you will see that optic nerve is present which transmits the electrical signal from the retina to the brain. When the lens focuses the light on the screen, that is retina, then the cells of the retina are activated. Photoreceptors or you can say light sensitive cells are activated, and electrical signal is produced in the retina. Now this optic nerve transmits the electrical signal from the retina to the brain. In the retina, the image is real and inverted. Okay. Now when the optic nerve transmits this electrical signal to the brain, then the brain interprets it as virtual, erect, and of the same size as the object image. The image that is formed on the retina is real, inverted, and diminished. Suppose this is the object, then on the retina, this is object. Okay, and then on the retina, which image will be formed? This is real and inverted, and smaller in size image will be formed. Okay, and now optic nerve is present here. It will transmit this electrical signal to the brain, and then brain interprets it as now the image will be erect, virtual, and of the same size as the object. This is the size. Now brain will make of the same size as the object. जो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस हमारी आंख में है वो लाइट को फोकस करता है, और वो जो आता है फोकस होता है वो रेटिना पर होता है जहाँ पर इमेज बनता है, और वो इमेज रियल और इन्वर्टेड होता है. ठीक है बच्चों, रियल और इन्वर्टेड इमेज बनता है. अब यहाँ से ऑप्टिक नर्व इस इमेज को ले जाता है ब्रेन में, और ब्रेन फिर उसको इंटरप्रेट करता है, चेंज करता है, और कैसा बना देता है इमेज? वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट, सीधा बना देता है, और वहां पे जो इमेज छोटा बना था यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज का इमेज बना देता है ब्रेन. और इसीलिए हम लोग जितना बड़ा ऑब्जेक्ट है उतना ही बड़ा इमेज भी देख पाते हैं. रियल सॉरी वर्चुअल और इरेक्ट इमेज बनाता है. आप देख रहे हैं कि आईज में कितने सारे पार्ट्स हैं, उनका क्या फंक्शन है. ओके, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द आई, एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दीज पार्ट्स ऑफ द आई, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड द डायग्राम इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डायग्राम ऑफ ह्यूमन आई. I had given you homework to draw the diagram of human eye. Had you drawn, children? Had you practiced the diagram? Have you drawn the diagram of human eye? All of you, human eye? Why are you not responding? Yes, you can draw. Yes, Harshvardhan is writing yes. Okay, just now all of you draw the diagram and show me. I am giving you 2 minutes to draw the diagram of human eye and show me. All of you draw the diagram of human eye immediately and show me. Yes, 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 it has the property of refractive index. So all of you can draw the diagram of human eye, and can you level it correctly or not? It is very important question, 100% sure question. Previous day I had told you to draw the diagram and to show me in the classroom. Have you drawn? Can you show me just now? Okay, today again I am saying you can draw the diagram and you can show me in the next class. Okay? So you have to draw the diagram and you have to show me next day. Now you will see, children, about the blind spot. What is blind spot? Two types of cells are there in the retina. You have read rod-shaped cells and cone-shaped cells. Rod-shaped cells are sensitive to dim light. We can see in the dim light due to rod-shaped cells. And cone-shaped cells are sensitive to color vision. We can see the color of different objects due to presence of cone-shaped cells. Children, you can one thing you can keep in mind, see, cone starts from C word and color also starts from C word. So now you will never confuse which cell is responsible for color vision. You can write cone shaped cells. Okay, and which cell is responsible to see in the dim light? Next, what is rod shaped cells? So yes, yes. You can write rod shaped cells and cone shaped cells get activated in dim light and bright light. Rod shaped cells are activated in dim light and are activated in bright light. We can see the color of different objects due to presence of cone shaped cells. Okay. The eye muscles are the most active muscles in the human body. Now you will see activity is given to demonstrate how. One thing you should know, children, what is blind spot. It is given after this activity, then I will explain. Okay, this activity is to demonstrate how light sensitive cells respond to dim light conditions. Light sensitive cells respond to dim light conditions. Which light sensitive cell? Rod shaped cells. Okay, for showing this activity, we can take a collection of objects that look identical. Okay, you can take 10 caps, but these caps should be of different color. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, different colors of caps you can take. And firstly, you work in the bright light. You separate the caps into piles of similar color. Suppose 3 caps are of yellow color, you separate it. 5 caps are of blue color, separate it. The caps of different color and put it in the pile. एक के ऊपर एक आप रखते जाइए कैप को, ठीक है? In the bright light, you do it in the bright light. Now you turn off most of the light so that the room is very dimly lit. अब जितने भी कर्टन है रूम में, जहां से भी लाइट का सोर्स है आ रहा है, आप सब खत्म कर दीजिए. ओके, turn off the light, stretch the curtain so that the room is dimly lit, ताकि रूम में बहुत कम लाइट हो. ठीक है. Now you count the number of cap of different color. You separate. पहले आप क्या किए हैं? In the bright light, you separate the cap of different color in the pile. Suppose you have 2 cap of blue color, 3 caps of yellow color, 4 caps of green color. Okay, 2 caps of you can say orange color. So you separate the caps of different color in the bright light. Okay. Now, after counting, note down the number of cap of different color. Now you mix all the caps and turn off the switch or bulb of your room and stretch the curtain of your room so that the room is dimly lit. Means there is dim light in the room. Now again you count the number of cap and separate the cap of different color and pile up. Suppose this time in the dim light you separate 2 caps of blue color, 3 caps of yellow color, 2 caps of orange color. Okay, you separate the cap of different color in the dim light. Now again you turn on the bulb. Make the room bright. Now you will see there is error in your counting. When you had separated the caps in the bright light and when you have separated the cap in the dim light, you will see there is difference. In the bright light you had separated, you had done the counting correctly. But when you separate the cap in the dim light, you see you have committed mistake. Okay? Are you following me? जब आप मान लीजिए आपके पास 12 कैप है, वो आइडेंटिकल होना चाहिए, एक जैसा, लेकिन सबका कलर अलग होना चाहिए. ठीक है. मान लीजिए आप 4 कलर का कैप लिए हैं, ब्लू, ग्रीन, रेड, येलो. ठीक है. तो हर कलर के कैप को अलग अलग करके आप गिन लीजिए, लिख लीजिए. अब आप रूम को बंद कर दीजिए. लाइट जहां से आ रहा है उसको, लाइट को आने के रास्ते को खत्म कर दीजिए. कर्टन को स्ट्रेच कर दीजिए, फैला दीजिए. और कहीं पे लाइट वगैरह जला है तो उसको ऑफ कर दीजिए. अब डिम लाइट में आप फिर से कैप को सेपरेट कीजिए. ब्लू, ग्रीन, रेड, येलो कैप को फिर से सेपरेट कीजिए. ठीक है. अब फिर से आप लाइट आने दीजिए रूम में, ब्राइट लाइट में, फिर काउंटिंग कीजिए. तो आप क्या देखिएगा कि जब आपने डिम लाइट में कैप को अलग करके काउंटिंग किया है तो आपने मिस्टेक किया है, एरर है उस काउंटिंग में. एम आई क्लियर? समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात? अब फिर 10 मिनट के बाद 7 से 10 मिनट तक रूम को फिर से डिम लाइट में कर दीजिए. ठीक है. और डिम लाइट रूम में आप 7-10 मिनट पहले वेट कीजिए. 7-10 मिनट वेट करने के बाद आप फिर से काउंटिंग कीजिए और फिर से अलग अलग कलर के कैप को अलग कर दीजिए. तो इस बार आपका काउंटिंग जो है वो पहली बार से ज्यादा सही होगा. क्यों होगा ज्यादा सही? क्योंकि आपके आईज में रॉड शेप सेल है और कॉन्सेप्ट सेल, दोनों सेल है. ठीक है. क्योंकि लाइट सेंसिटिव सेल जो है वो पहली बार में उसको टाइम नहीं मिला था अडेप्ट होने के लिए, लेकिन दूसरी बार में वो 7 से 10 मिनट जब आप डिम लाइट में वेट किए तो उस लाइट सेंसिटिव सेल में एडेप्टेशन हो गया और इसलिए दूसरी बार में आपके काउंटिंग में मिस्टेक कम आया. बिकॉज द लाइट सेंसिटिव सेल्स ऑफ योर आईज हैव अडेप्टेड टू सी इन द डिम लाइट. ठीक है. तो आप क्या देख रहे हैं कि हाउ कैन वी रेस्पॉन्ड इन द डिम लाइट? इन आवर रेटिना there is light sensitive cell. This cell is rod shaped cells which enable us to see in the dim light. This activity is showing that we can respond in the dim light due to presence of rod shaped cells. In our eyes there is presence of cone shaped and rod shaped cells and we can see even in the dim light due to presence of rod shaped cells. Okay. For carrying out this activity you can take bottles also. Bottles of different color is available at your home. Okay. Suppose you have white bottle or blue bottle, green bottle, different colors of bottles. Then you count the number of bottle of each color in the bright light. Now you mix all the bottles. Now make your room dimly lit. Turn off the bulb, tube light, stretch the curtain. Now your room is dimly lit. Now you count the number of bottle or cap, whatever you are taking of different color, you separate them. Now you again see in the bright light that your counting is correct or not. You will see that you have committed error. Okay, there is mistake in counting because you have counted in dim light. Now Again you mix them and you wait in the dim light for 10 minutes. Again you make your room dimly lit and you wait in the dimly lit room for 10 minutes. Again after 10 minutes you separate the cap of different color. Now when you will see your observation in the bright light, you will see that in second time you have committed less error in counting, in separating cap of different color. Why? Because your eyes have adapted. In your eye, rod shaped cells are there which have adapted to see in the dim light. Am I clear, children? तो हम लोगों को डिम लाइट में क्यों दिखाई देता है? क्योंकि हमारे रेटिना में रॉड शेप्ड सेल्स हैं, उसकी वजह से हम लोग डिम लाइट में भी देख सकते हैं। आप देखते हैं जब कभी किसी का रेटिना डैमेज हो जाता है तो वो लोग दूर दूर जाते हैं, शंकर नेत्रालय जाते हैं, विजिट करते हैं ये रेटिना ठीक कराने के लिए, क्योंकि रेटिना में ही रॉड और कॉन्सेप्ट सेल्स होते हैं, दिखाई कम पड़ने लगती है। तो रेटिना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर eye. It is the screen of our eye where the image is formed. And in the retina, two types of cells are there: rod shaped cells and cone shaped cells, which are activated when the light is focused on it. So we can see in the dim light due to presence of rod shaped cells. Am I clear, children? You will see, children, in the night birds, जो भी बर्ड रात में एक्टिव होती है, in them rod shaped cells are more in number. Okay, so animals have eyes shaped in different ways.